Okay, so now we just need to add our project. Now, the great thing about this is that our clients can easily maintain this by themselves. So when they log in, all they need to do is click on add new project, and they just need to fill in all of the information which is here. If you find, personally, I still need to get used to WordPress Gutenberg. It drives me up the wall. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just, for the sake of being backward, I'm going to add the classic editor because I prefer the look of it. I just find it to be less daunting than the other one. So I'm just going to click here on projects, add new, and you could see it just looks 10 times. In my opinion, it looks better, but anyway, doesn't matter. So when your clients log in, this is basically all they need to do, and all they need to see is just this section, and they just need to fill in the appropriate fields. So here we have Windows 11. I'm going to copy that and paste that in there. Let's get rid of that. And here we can just literally just take what they've got here. Hugh Chung, let's say the date is there. The country is UK, introductory text is that, and just copy this. Okay, so yep, I wanted to use this for that. And we've got images here as well that we want to use. So let me just go past. Here we got our testimonial, so we want to add the testimonial text, and we want to put in the testimonial name. The project images, we can choose our project image from here. I want to choose an image. I think I've already got some uploaded, but I'm going to do that now. Okay, so I'm just going to use this one. And just upload all of these here. And maybe in the slider we can just use these ones, these three. And check these, so just these three. We'll choose that. So for our featured image, I think they went for, yeah, this one. And I'm just going to click these two, and I'm going to publish that. So now if we look at our project, this is what we see. It doesn't look anything like this, but never mind, we're going to get there. Okay. So the next part of the tutorial is basically going to be showing you how to get it from this to this.